Your car feels noticeably slower than it used to. You step on the gas pedal and that sharp, instant pull you felt when you first bought it is completely gone. Most drivers automatically assume their engine is just getting old and tired. But here's the truth. Most engines do not lose their horsepower to permanent wear and tear. They lose it to silent, invisible neglect. We all grew up learning to change the oil and check the belts, but the rules of vehicle maintenance have evolved. After 20 years as a mechanic, I have watched countless veteran drivers, guys who have been on the road for decades, spend thousands of dollars on heavy engine work trying to get that original power back. They replace transmissions and rebuild cylinders, completely unaware that their lost horsepower is still sitting right there under the hood. These small points of neglect are quietly suffocating your engine, causing a 10 to 15% drop in power and costing you hundreds of extra dollars at the gas pump every single year. Today on Core Car, I am going to show you 7 simple ways to wake your engine back up. Most of them cost under $20. And make sure you stick around for number 1, because the final shortcut costs absolutely $0, requires 0 tools, and completely resets how your car accelerates. Number 7. The invisible anchor. You check your oil every weekend. You listen closely to your engine every morning before you pull out of the driveway. You are a careful driver. But you probably walk right past your tires without a second thought. You have driven the same commute for 5 years and the truck feels fine, but underneath, you are dragging a heavy anchor. Here is exactly what is happening mechanically. When your tire pressure drops even slightly below the manufacturer's recommendation, the physical footprint of the rubber spreads out wider on the asphalt. This drastically increases your rolling resistance. It is the mechanical equivalent of driving down the highway with your emergency parking brake slightly engaged. Your engine has to physically fight that extra friction every single time you press the gas pedal. The engine works just as hard, but the power gets eaten up by the soft rubber before it reaches the road. For every few pounds of missing pressure, you are sacrificing up to 3% of your overall fuel economy. Over a year, that is well over $100 in wasted gasoline. The fix is the cheapest performance upgrade in the world. Open your driver's side door, look at the factory sticker, and inflate your tires to that exact specification while the rubber is completely cold. Fixing your rolling resistance is an easy first step. But our next issue is about how your engine breathes, and it is something most shops completely ignore. Number 6. The choked lung. You probably remember the old days of popping a shiny chrome air cleaner off a carburetor to check the filter. It was right there on top of the engine. But on modern vehicles, the airbox is usually buried under black plastic covers bolted completely shut and entirely forgotten. You naturally assume the dealership checked it during your last expensive oil change, but they almost rarely do. Here is the mechanical reality. Your engine is essentially a massive air pump. For every single gallon of fuel it burns, it has to pull in thousands of gallons of outside air. When your paper air filter is clogged with 3 years of road dust, dead bugs, and thick pollen, you are placing a physical chokehold on the intake manifold. The engine literally has to work harder just to breathe, restricting overall airflow by up to 20%. When the engine is starving for air, the computer is forced to dial back the fuel mixture to match. Your horsepower plummets, and your gas pedal feels incredibly heavy. Spend $20 and 10 minutes opening that plastic box in your driveway to swap in a fresh paper filter. Or you can upgrade to a washable performance filter. Just do not over-oil it, or you will cause a massive problem for the sensors down the line. Restoring your engine's breathing is critical. But let us talk about the filter keeping your engine alive under heavy acceleration. Number 5. The starvation point. You step hard on the gas pedal to merge onto a fast-moving highway, and the vehicle hesitates. It stumbles for a split second before finally picking up speed. You immediately think the heavy transmission is slipping, or maybe the aging engine is misfiring. You start doing the math in your head, preparing for a massive repair bill. But the truth is usually much simpler. At the back of your vehicle, underneath the chassis, your fuel pump is desperately trying to push gasoline through a filter that is packed tight with years of microscopic dirt and rust particles. Under normal, slow driving around town, the restricted flow is just enough to keep the engine running smoothly. But the moment you demand maximum power, the engine computer asks for a massive surge of fuel. The clogged filter creates a physical bottleneck. The fuel pressure drops instantly, and the engine runs dangerously lean. It is literally starving for liquid at the exact moment you need it most. If you drive a slightly older truck with an external inline fuel filter mounted on the frame rail, it is a $20 part and a 20-minute job with basic hand tools. Swapping it out restores full fuel pressure instantly and brings back your passing power. Restoring your fuel and airflow is great, but all of that mechanical work means absolutely nothing if your vehicle's computer is completely blind to what is happening. Let me explain what I mean. I had a retired contractor bring his Ford in last winter. He was convinced his engine was dying and ready to sell the truck. I spent 15 minutes under the hood and found his intake sensors completely caked in black carbon. I cleaned them for $8. He called me the next day, amazed that the truck felt brand new again. Let us look at those exact sensors right now. Number 4, the blind computer. You have a fresh air filter installed, and you know your fuel pressure is perfect, but the truck still idles rough, and it feels sluggish off the line. You naturally trust your old-school mechanical instincts, assuming an aging fuel injector or a worn transmission is to blame. But the actual problem is a tiny wire thinner than a human hair. Right behind your air intake box is the mass airflow sensor. As outside air rushes past this superheated platinum wire, the wire cools down. Your engine's computer measures that exact temperature change to calculate precisely how much air is entering the intake. But over the years, microscopic oil vapors and road dust bake onto that tiny wire, creating a thick, insulated crust. Suddenly, the sensor tells the computer that less air is entering than there actually is. The computer automatically pulls back the fuel supply, and your engine instantly loses up to 12% of its horsepower. You are running perfectly good solid hardware with completely corrupted digital data. Do not use harsh carb cleaner or you will melt the sensitive plastics. Buy an $8 can of dedicated mass airflow sensor cleaner. Carefully unplug the sensor, pull it out, and gently spray the wire clean. Let it air dry for 10 minutes and put it back. You just restored the computer's vision. Fixing the computer is a huge step forward, but before we look at the main breathing gateway of your engine, let us take a quick second. Before we go any further, if these maintenance shortcuts are helping you understand your engine better, a quick like helps CoreCar reach other veteran drivers who need this information. Let us keep going. Number 3. The carbon chokehold. You press the gas pedal, but the acceleration feels lazy and heavy. When you pull up to a red light, the engine RPMs dip down dangerously low and the truck shudders like it wants to stall. You might assume your transmission is failing or your spark plugs are completely shot. This happens because the main breathing gateway into your engine is physically suffocating. The throttle body is a thick metal tube with a round butterfly valve inside that flips open and closed to let air in. Every time you shut your engine off, hot oil vapors rise from the hot cylinders and bake onto the back of that valve. Over the years, this forms a thick, sticky ring of hard, black carbon sludge. When you hit the gas, the valve sticks against that sludge. When it tries to maintain a steady idle, the carbon completely blocks the minimal airflow the engine desperately needs. Take the rubber intake hose off. Take a rag soaked in dedicated throttle body cleaner, not harsh carburetor cleaner, and carefully wipe away that black sludge. If your modern vehicle has an electronic throttle, do not manually force the metal flap open with your fingers. Just wipe the edges completely clean. For $10 and 20 minutes of easy work, that crisp, instant throttle response you remember will come right back. Cleaning out the carbon is incredibly satisfying. But our next hidden problem is something that can physically blow your oil seals apart from the inside. Number 2, the $10 engine killer. You notice a small puddle of fresh oil on your concrete driveway. You look under the vehicle and oil seems to be seeping out of every single gasket. You take it to a shop and the mechanic quotes you $2,000 to drop the heavy transmission and replace the rear main seal. Stop right there. Before you authorize that massive repair bill, you need to check a tiny piece of plastic called the positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV valve. Every single time a cylinder fires, a small amount of explosive pressure blows past the metal piston rings and down into the lower engine block. The PCV valve has one simple job. It vents that dangerous pressure safely back into the intake. But when this tiny spring-loaded valve gets glued completely shut by years of old oil sludge, that pressure has absolutely nowhere to go. It builds up rapidly inside the enclosed engine block until it literally blows your expensive oil seals outward from the inside. It takes exactly 10 seconds to test this. Pull the little plastic valve out of the engine valve cover and give it a shake near your ear. If it rattles, the spring is good. If it is completely silent, it is jammed shut. Throw it in the trash and spend $10 on a brand new one. Fixing a massive oil leak for $10 is a huge relief. But there is one final step you absolutely must take to get your lost horsepower back. If that $10 trick just saved you a massive repair bill, drop a quick like, because this final step changes absolutely everything. Number 1. The digital amnesia. You have followed every single step. You replaced the clogged air filter, swapped out the restricted fuel filter, cleaned the mass airflow sensor, and scrubbed the throttle body. The physical hardware is breathing perfectly. You take the vehicle out for a test drive, expecting a massive boost in power. But as you merge onto the highway, it still shifts a little too early. The gas pedal still feels slightly numb. The truck is running smoother, but that sharp horsepower is missing. You assume the engine is just too old. Here is the invisible truth. The physical hardware is perfect, but the software is trapped in the past. Your vehicle is controlled by an engine control unit, or ECU. This computer is constantly learning. It spends years slowly adapting to your failing hardware. As your air filter clogged over the last 40,000 miles and your sensors caked with oil, the computer quietly learned to pull back the fuel and soften the transmission shifts to keep the struggling engine alive. It built deep digital habits based on corrupted data. When you finally clean those parts, the computer does not instantly know. It is still running the engine using the exact same bad habits it learned when the engine was choking. It is intentionally holding the engine back. The solution is a hard system reboot. Disconnect the negative terminal on your car battery. Wait at least 30 minutes. This allows the electrical capacitors inside the ECU to completely drain. When you reconnect that battery cable, the computer's short-term memory is wiped clean. Take the car out for a spirited drive. The computer will immediately relearn the optimal air and fuel ratios based on your newly restored engine hardware. The transmission shifts will sharpen up, the throttle will become highly responsive, and you will feel that lost horsepower return to the pavement. It costs exactly $0. That single digital reset, combined with clean sensors, is exactly why my daily work truck has 385,000 miles on the original engine and still pulls a heavy trailer with ease. You do not always need a mechanic. Sometimes, you just need a reboot. How many of these simple maintenance tricks were you already doing? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If this video helped you find that missing horsepower, subscribing to Core Car is worth it. Every video we make is designed to keep more money in your pocket. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get wrong. Core Car's next video covers the fuel myths quietly costing you at every fill-up. It is right here. Do not miss it.